Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I would like to show you how to make deposit on CowryWise. See, this thing is very easy. It's very easy if you follow my instruction. If you follow my instruction, you are going to get your 1,000 naira of bonus. If you follow, not that it's not only that to register. You follow my instruction also when you want to deposit the 500 naira bonus. So this is what you just need to do. You can see what I post here about cow ears. You can see what I post here. So if you want to make deposit, please, I want you to do after you successfully register on this cow ears, you enter your email first. After you enter your email, then the next thing you to do is to go back to your email inbox to check. They send you an OTP. You copy that OTP from your email inbox. You come back to the place you register. Then you put the code. Then you continue the registration. You verify your account. That mean when you copy your the code OTP code from your inbox and put it on the place you are register, that means you verify your account. The next thing you need to do, you can now download the app. When you download the app, then you now go to Play Store to download the app, or if you are using iOS, you can use iOS also to download the app. So you fill your name, put your phone number, you log in, then you now click. After you log in, you now click on. Most of you that asking me that they are asking for BVN. Yes, you can put your BVN. Put your BVN when they ask you for BVN. But my advice is that don't use the PIN you are using to collect money. You are using for your ATM. Don't use it for this platform also. Don't make sure you use the other code you are going to remember. So you use that code, that 4 pin. Don't use the one you are using in your bank to open you make sure the one you use with them is different from the one you are using to collect your money in bank or ATM, because not that this platform is not legit, but you have to also guide yourself. So that is why you need to use different pin. So the next thing to do is to click on, after you log in, is to click on saving plan. Look at it here. Click on saving plan, click on regular, enter any name, then click 3 month, 3 months. Enter 500 naira again, then click on payment method, select any method, then you found your account with 500 naira. You can either you use ATM to find your account, or you click of transfer. You can use transfer also to find your account. The money is in your withdrawal, the money back, or save it interest back. So what I want to do here is I'm going to open this PDF. Look at this PDF here. This PDF also, when you click on this PDF, it will also show you everything you need. You can see it. It will show you everything. Most of you, I don't know why you people are doing mistake for this thing. You click on this PDF. When you click on this PDF will tell you everything you need to know about how to deposit on this platform. Look at this here. Look at this here. Look at this here. You click on my saving plan. After that, you click create new saving plan. You can see it. You can see it. So the best way to do it is to open that PDF. You can see regular, they mark it for you. When you follow instruction on this PDF, there's no way you can make a mistake. You can see it. You said I want to save them when I want to. So my advice for you is to follow what is inside this PDF, and if your phone cannot open this PDF, I will advise you to go back to Play Store and download the appropriate app that can open PDF for you. So everything you need to do is on this. Don't just go there make deposit, 500 naira deposit anyhow. You make sure you follow the instruction so that you get your 500 naira and you get the 1000 naira bonus and withdrawal on a withdrawal day. So this platform is very very legit. I've already withdraw from it and I want everybody to participate so that you get the 500 naira also. So everything you need is on PDF. I don't want to go to log in and show you all these things. Everything you just need is on PDF. It's on this PDF. So I'm just going to I don't want this video to long. I will cut it now and I want you to do what I ask you to do. It's very very important. You get your look at my balance here. Let me just show my balance on this CowryWise so that you know that this thing is legit, very very legit. This is very very legit. I've already withdrawn from it and I want everybody to also get your 1000 naira, and if you can refer you can also get more on this CowryWise because this platform is very very legit. Look at my referral. This is my account. 1000 naira that I'm going to withdraw on the January 31st 2002. I've already withdrawn 1000 naira. So I'm going to withdraw 9000 naira by January of this month. So this is very very simple. When you just log in, what you just need to do, you can click. Let me click on home. So when you just log in, what you just need to do is to just click on this my saving plan. When you click on my saving plan, then click new. There's nothing bad. There's nothing hard on this. Most of you are just doing something on your own. You are doing something on your own. Before you do it, you have to come to my DM. Let me send you the appropriate uh, what you need to do this thing. Then you make your 500 naira, you save your 500 naira, then you get your bonus and everything. But after you do something wrong, you now come back to me. This is not right way to do something. So you click on regular saving, then everything is on PDF. When you want to make deposit, just DM me. I will send you the what you need to do. I will send you the PDF. You watch the PDF, you follow my instruction. When you follow my instruction, there is no way you will not get your 1000 naira. As you have follow your own instruction now, I will not get the bonus. If you are not do something right, I will not get the bonus. You will not also get the bonus. You are just, it's not that you waste the 500 naira. The 500 naira is your account, is in your account. You can withdraw it after the month end. So but the bonus they may not give you because you are not follow the most of you are complaining that they don't have the 1000 naira, but you don't know that you are the one made a mistake. If you made a mistake, you won't get the 500 naira. So that is it. I'm going to cut stop this video now. I don't want this video to be long. So that is it for how to get your 1000 naira on CowryWise. Thank everybody. This is Olara. Keep to.